YouTube Income Ideas 2020. Having a million views on a video is nowhere near simple. Luckily, income does not flow only from YouTube revenue or ads, there are also other ways. 1. Create products and promote them. If you're creating your own products or would like to, YouTube offers unlimited ways for you to promote your products and make sales. Products you can create include ebooks, apps, art, and music. Create your products, and add them to a shopping cart. Then use YouTube to promote them. 2. Sell others' products as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing means selling products in exchange for a commission. Hundreds of thousands of companies offer attractive deals to affiliate marketers who promote their products, including huge companies, like Amazon and eBay, as well as smaller companies. Additionally, there are many affiliate networks you can join. These networks include ClickBank, Commission Junction, and ShareASale.com. 3. Create a web TV series. Love telling stories? YouTube lets you create your own web TV shows. You're limited only by your imagination and your budget. You can create a comedy series, a drama series, or your own talk show. Be aware that YouTube limits your show's length to 15 minutes. To upload longer videos, you'll need to increase your limit. 4. Become a YouTube personality. YouTube stars can make a lot of money. PewDiePie, despite having lost major advertisement recently, remains number one of the highest paid YouTube stars with $15 million in 2016. It was estimated that he could receive over $13,000 for a week of publications. If you've got quirky ideas, or are passionate about your interests, develop your YouTube channel. You never know, you may be the next YouTube star. 5. Share your knowledge with tutorials. Tutorials are huge on YouTube. If you know how to do something, you can teach others, and make money from your videos. Beauty videos are popular. Michelle Phan, for example, has over 1.3 million views. 6. Test market your products. YouTube is an amazing resource for market research. You can soon discover whether your brilliant, innovative idea is likely to be profitable. For example, if you've got an idea for a product, but need funding, create some videos before you create a Kickstarter.com campaign. The views and comments on your videos will tell you whether your idea is viable in its present form. 7. Scheduled videos. It would be much more easy for viewer to catch your content if you publish it in a specific timeframe in a regular basis. It might also make them more tending to following your channel, which is to subscribe to you. It is crucial to have base audience which would always come for your content so that you can ensure your number of views for each video. This also is ensuring a steady amount of income. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.